Hey everyone, we're here in Bremerton, Washington. So here we have a picture of women operating engraving machines. This was during the World War 1917. World War I brought many women workers to Puget Sound's Navy Yard. They don't look very happy. Here's a picture of tool sharpeners during World War I. This was in 1944. Here's another picture of an unidentified woman employee grooming threads with a file on the turret lap located in the machine shop. A lot of women working hard labor back then. This is Miss Margaret A. Christensen and Miss Ruth E. Hefta in 1942. This picture was taken in 1944. Look at all the people lined up. These are food cars with food and beverages. This is pretty cool how these tables have pictures engraved on the top of them. Oh, that's pretty neat. You can see all the way through this rock and into the next one. We're here at one of the fountain parks in Bremerton. We were just taking a quick look around. It's an awesome park with some history in it, but we're going to go ahead and continue on. We're down here by the entrance to the ferries that go over to Seattle. There's Puget Sound's Naval Shipyard. Wow, look at that big submarine top. That's huge. That's pretty cool. It's right here by the Navy Museum. So we are standing in front of one of the first buildings erected in Puget Sound's Naval Shipyard. Pretty cool. It's a beautiful building. Puget Sound's Navy Museum. It's free admission. The hours are from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Closed on Tuesday, October through April.
Upstairs in the far corner is our newest display. It's a photo gallery of photos taken in the Navy Yard from the late 1800s into the 40s. Next to it is a baseball goes to war display. At the end of this wall in the corner room is a display about patrol boats and PTs in Puget Sound from the days of Prohibition to now.
My goodness, look how big this chain is. It's huge. This is Lieutenant Ambrose, and that's his personal journal and eyeglasses. This is the USS Nipsic Wardroom Skylight, 1863. Wow, that's old. A spell off of the USS Pyro, 1919. This is an old World War I ladies' uniform. Thatcher's calculating instrument and instructions, invented in 1897. Fuller's spiral side rule and instructions. Oh, cool, look at this old graphotype machine from the 1930s. Here's an overlook of Puget Sound's Naval Shipyard. MKV diving helmet from 1943. That reminds me of something off the movies. Time clock that was used from 1919 to 1945. Oh, neat. Saltwater piping. More piping. A wooden anchor. A blade. And a rudder. This is a model of the USS Bremerton, christened in 1944 and serviced until 1960. Oh wow, look at this fire alarm telegraph machine, circa 1900s. It's a closer look at it. Oh my goodness, that thing is heavy. Look at that. It's a recycled USS Finback hull section, 1997. Wow. This steel hull section weighs 8 pounds. Think about how heavy the 292-foot-long submarine would be. This is from the Apprentice Project, 1969. Little robot-looking boy. So if you've never seen a steam engine, here you go. This is a restored antique steam engine. Welcome aboard. Wow, look at this boat. That would make a killer floating RV. This is a replica of patrol boats that were built in Washington State during the Vietnam War. High Point, the Boeing Company, 1962. That's a picture of the boat on a hoist. Wow, look at that boat. It looks like it's floating. This picture was taken during the Vietnam War. There's just so much to see here. Definitely worth the visit, and it is free, so you can't beat the price. Yeah.
That's the most exciting part of the museum in there. Check it out.
Yeah, take a look. I think this is the most bland part. It's just photographs. But if you like photographs, definitely a cool room to come into. But that's all that's in here. She looks like she's imitating the Statue of Liberty. This is a photograph of a shipyard. It's very interesting. When baseball went to war. So here's just some baseball stuff. Pretty cool. Classified. So here's some bulletin boards with pictures and writings. I guess if you're into reading and stuff. Oh, it's like the mess hall. Guess that's how they ate. Ooh, looks yummy. It's fake. Looks pretty real though. Wow, look at that aircraft wheel. This is the uniform worn by the Navy cook. Flight suit. Fire suit. Purple shirts, fuel aircraft. Blue shirts, chain and secure the aircraft. Yellow shirts, direct movement of all aircrafts. Green shirts, operate the catapults. Red shirts, handle all weapons and ammunition. Brown shirts are plane captains who watch over individual planes. White shirts handle safety, medical, and media. Controlled chaos. This is how they park the planes on the ships. So I've never sat in an aircraft seat before. These are the ones that eject, I believe. Oof. I wonder if that's the ejection button. Number 74. Beware of the jet blast, propellers, and rotors. U.S. Navy Yard. That was pretty cool. This place is definitely neat. This is a park right outside of the naval base. What in the heck is that? Sorry about the little spot on my lens. I got the lens wet when I was shooting some earlier shots, and there's a little spot on the inside, so I can't wipe it off. That's a weird chair. Well, it gives you shade. I believe that's one of the ferries that go to Seattle. That is one big boat. So we came to the Lumpia Factory, which is a Filipino place, and we're gonna get some lumpia. Yummy! So she's making some lumpia in the corner. They have lumpia here, which is 55 cents each for pork, or 57 cents each for beef. And they also have a small, I'm gonna get a small pan set, which is $3.99. They have large, which is $7.50. Or you can get a small pan for $30 or a large pan for $40. Ooh, that combo special looks good. That's 1 scoop of pan set, some chicken or pork adobo, and 2 lumpia for $6.95. That sounds yummy. I'm paying with cash, sir. It's yummy.
Of course, yeah.
These are good, but my aunts are better.